and welcome back to another studio vlog with me, Lucy from Lulu Rocks. Yesterday it was my birthday, exciting times, and today I am here to pack all of the orders that I got from my birthday sale. So basically I used to do like a kind of birthday sale every year and I would just put it on social media, but this year I have kind of rejigged my newsletter. How can I forget the word newsletter? Anyway, I rejigged my newsletter, and so the sale, the discount code was only available for my newsletter subscribers and my Patreons. So anyway, let's get pack-a-lacking. I need something to prop you on so I can film, because basically if I'm packing orders and I have my camera here, you can just see my body. It's not good. What can I put you on that's not going to take up loads of space? Okay, that's not too bad. I mean, you're looking up at me. Are we good? Are we good? I think we're good. I'm gonna fold some boxes. The first step is to fold some boxes. I really wish I could make these amazingly, beautifully, aesthetically pleasing videos, but I just don't know how. Like, I want to make my workspace more aesthetically pleasing as well, but I don't really have the funds to be spending on loads of pretty stuff all the time. But I spend so much time in this room now, more than my room upstairs, ever since I kind of changed to packing orders in here, and then Paul moved out of this room. I just basically come in here to work now, and now I've got a laptop in here as well. Like, I end up sitting over there on that very uncomfortable chair and desk and working there. And yeah, my light's like in the corner of the thing. Yeah, so my room upstairs, like, I hardly go in there now, which sucks because I actually really like that room. It's got a really nice vibe to it, but I'm thinking I should move more stuff down here from there to make this room a little bit nicer looking. I'm not sure, I don't know, but yeah, I just don't understand how people make all their stuff look so pretty and nice. Like, my videos, I try my hardest, but I don't know. I mean, the camera I'm using is a Canon G7X Mark II, which I've had for quite a few years now. So the footage, you know, is 1080p. It's not like 4K or anything, but you know, it's fairly decent. But I just feel like my stuff, like my all the footage I film doesn't look good. Like, I don't think I know what angles I need to make stuff look good, and the lighting in this room is terrible. So like, all I have is my light, and then I have like a ring light here, because without this on, wait, how do I turn it off? It is so dark in this corner. But I think if I had more lighting, it would look better. And yeah, I think I need to learn what angles look good and what colour like correcting I need to do. If you've got any tips for how to make pretty videos, or how to learn to make pretty videos, hit me up. Let me know in the comments. Maybe I need to go on Skillshare or something and see if there's like a course for how to make aesthetically pleasing videos. I want to make all these pretty things, but like, I just don't know how. And things like, my hands are always dry and crusty, no matter how much, okay, not crusty, that makes them sound disgusting. No matter how much hand cream I use and how much I exfoliate them, I get really sore, dry hands. And yeah, I just, you know, I don't have the time to do my nails all the time. Like, if I had the money, I would go and get them done so I didn't have to paint them myself, but I don't know, guys. So you may have just noticed that I've been adding some free gifts to people's orders. I recently did some lucky dip boxes, which I think I probably spoke about on my last vlog, but I've stopped them now. I still have a lot of sample products, basically. I've got seconds products, I've got sample products. And yeah, so I've been adding just a few, mainly to these birthday sale orders, as kind of free gifts. It won't last forever, and I don't imagine I'll use them all, but I have got so many products. It's kind of a little bit ridiculous, if I'm honest. I still have this many bookmarks, which there's nothing wrong with them. I just changed the style. They'll have backs like this and a design on the front, but I've now changed it so that they're double-sided with whatever people choose with my logo on. So these are just kind of old bookmarks that I've taken out of stock. I've also got all of these second bookmarks where things like, so these ones I was testing out gloss lamination, didn't like it. There's nothing wrong with them really, other than the fact that the back is upside down. And then I have like all these stickers that were samples. I've got this whole box of second stickers and Patreon stickers, and then I also have a load of pins that aren't in inventory because they were samples, and then I also have a load of seconds pins where there's actually nothing wrong with it. So I have loads of these prophecy orb pins. Basically the manufacturer made them and they were the wrong colour. I wouldn't mind if it's a different shade of blue, that's fine, but you've made it grey. I don't use that pin manufacturer anymore because they weren't very good in the end. And yeah, so they replaced them for me, but I haven't even got through selling the replacements to even think about what to do with these grey ones. So I've got those as well to give away, and like I said, there's nothing wrong with them, they're just not the right colour. So yeah, I have all this stock. What? I'm getting so hot in here, I feel like I'm gonna melt. Anyway, getting distracted. What was I saying? Yeah, so I've got a lot of products that not much wrong with, so I'm just doing some free gifts. So that's where we are, that's what I'm doing. After I finish these orders, I'm not going to get them all packed today because I always find order packing quite overwhelming. So the plan is to pack maybe half today and half like tomorrow, and then after this I'm either going to start playing around with Patreon rewards for May, which is super exciting. I can't wait to show you what I'm doing because it's really, really cute. Or work on my washi tape designs for my next Kickstarter. I haven't decided yet, but it's very exciting. definitely have ketchup on my chin. So those are going to be the goodies for the Patreon rewards in May. So they will go out either end of May or beginning of June. But there's one more thing that I'm going to try and make to add to it. So basically I want to make a little froggy like notepad, not with many sheets, and just like a little post-it note size. I'll see if I can show you actually. So I'm thinking something like this, so it'll say don't forget. Cute, right? Oh my god, I'm really struggling to think because I'm having a massive hot flush. It is quite warm anyway, and it's always super warm in here, and I'm probably having a hormonal hot flush. So basically the idea is that I would print out lots of little sheets like this, attach it to a piece of card like this, and then stick along the top. This is a test piece for D&D, my D&D character. So at the moment this is just attached with a like paper clip, no, what's this called? You know, bulldog clip, squeezy clip, clippy clip. Cat just dove into the box of recycling. The reason that box is still here is because he likes to get in it and sleep in it, so I just let him. Yes, so I'm going to try sticking it. I don't have like all the proper clamps and things like that to make it like perfect, and this cutter, as great as it is compared to my old one, which was terrible, this doesn't really, I'd say, give me an accurate cut. It's like I said, it's so much better than the old one. The old one didn't even cut straight. Can you put it down, please? Everyone's always like, does your cat actually have a name? Because you just call him the cat. His name's Maui, in case you're not aware, like from Moana, because he's a bit of a troublemaker, just like Maui. So yeah, so if they go out to my patrons, like if the gluing works and they go out to my patrons, they will be Patreon exclusive for definite. I will not be hand making them. Whether I make maybe something similar and get them printed later on, I don't know. However, I already do this card. I included this in the little bundle because it's my birthday. My birthday is in May, and therefore May will be the birthday / frog package. So yeah, so they're gonna get 2 birthday cards that have a happy birthday, which I do think I may have to make into a card that goes into my shop. So let me know if you like the design, because your feedback helps me know what to put in my shop. And a little bookmark, again, if you like this, let me know and I will look at putting it in the shop. I know it's totally not in focus, but I did already film it for you, so hopefully you saw that. And then these planner stickers, which came out really cute. They're a bit smaller than my normal ones. Not sure what I did with the settings there. So again, if these go in my shop, they'll be slightly bigger, but they look so cute. It's really hard to show you because they're so pastel-y. Please do let me know if you like them. I freaking love the frog. I think I'm gonna go find some glue. I'm gonna glue this. Even though I don't have all the clamps and stuff to do it properly, I'm going to glue this as a test because it's going to have to dry at least overnight. Oh my god, I've been talking for forever. I'm so sorry. And then once I've finished the washi tape designs, my plan is to print them out onto a piece of paper and see what the designs look like. Look at that. I didn't really think this through. So for starters, I just did it with my finger because who wants to go get a paintbrush? And I don't think you can see. It's already separating. I think really I should have something on it to flatten it down rather than these clips. But I feel like that's gonna stick to it. It's gone all wrinkly, the paper has like soaked up the glue. Like I said, if this doesn't work, I'm just not gonna do it. I won't do it as a Patreon reward if it looks pants. You know, maybe Mod Podge isn't even the right glue to use. Maybe I should just use normal PVA. Maybe Mod Podge is basically PVA. Who knows? Google probably, but I can't be bothered. So let's get on with some washi design. I need a little lamp for over here. It's so dark. Cat can see pigeons out the window, so he's like... Oh my goodness, my camera is gonna die. Okay, so the camera died. I have finished designing all 12 washi tapes for the new Kickstarter, and I am going to share them with my patrons. So. Progress on the notepads. As suspected, the glue stuck to the cardboard, ripped it off. Some of that was probably my fault because I think I put too much glue on. So I've printed the little don't forget notelets and have put less glue on. I'm assuming the first few sheets will have to come off. Also, I'm really sorry, I'm still clicking my jaw all the time, which is why I'm constantly going. Ever since I had tooth problems, like last summer, I had the tooth infection where my mouth swelled up. I've had clicky jaw that I have to click a million times a day. Anyway, so yeah. Basically, I've printed out the froggy ones. Oh, I'm pointing over there. It's actually here. I've put it under some of my other notepads that are very heavy to weigh it down. I'm gonna let it dry overnight because this feels sticky and tacky and I don't think it's fully dry, which may be affecting the ripping and whatnot. So that's the situation with those. I'm repeating myself, I'm very aware. I think I'm going to leave the studio vlog here, which is odd because I normally do like a whole week or at least a few days, but today has been just a daily vlog to show you what I'm doing today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back soon for another studio vlog. See you soon, guys. Bye. Oh, wait. Don't forget to let me know what you think of the washi tape designs. Okay, bye.